We have a very, 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 very simple model. It's connect, scan, focus, act. And the connect gives a time for everybody to just connect. It can be anything from like take 10 breaths together to what do you do on the weekend to one word check-in to anything else, but we keep it to like 2 to 3 minutes. So then we actually connect with the human there. We scan for what we're actually going to achieve in that call, because even if the call or the meeting is about complete big vision brainstorming, setting that up is an agreement between all of us. So that's what we're going to do. So if somebody comes in and they're like, no, I actually wanted to do work today, and you're coming and doing vision, and then we're completely not aligned, that breaks the energy. But if everybody is actually on the same page, this is what we're doing on today, we're going to go wild. And you're containing that is so good, because people, and then also kind of saying, we're going to do this for 2 hours, or giving people an in and out of how long you're going to actually having time boxes is really healthy. Because people actually can then regulate and self-regulate. Oh, I need to be here for 2 hours. I'm going to make myself ready for this. And then we focus, what do we actually are doing? And then the act is, so what is the follow-up from here? Because otherwise, if we're just meeting to meet, cool, that's dinner, or that's a cocktail, that's just, social. But if we're here to work together, let's actually see what's the follow-through afterwards and commit to that. Because that again is that held accountability. And without that, nothing moves. And I even saw it within this group. It was chaotic 2 weeks ago. And I was like, I'm always kind of like with startups. I'm like, do I stay? Do I go? Do I stay? Do I go? Because startups, they're chaos. But I said, I need to do a stand-up with you, otherwise it's not going to work. They all agreed. We're on a daily stand-up. We have a way of doing it, and it works. And as soon as I put that in, the creativity, the agreement, the alignment, the push forward started to move so much faster. It's kind of crazy how simple it is, yet if you don't do it, it's going to just create more chaos, especially during these times. I think, and it's also that agreement, as I said, creates psychological safety for people to create in. And the fact that I might be psychologically feeling safe all the time because I'm self-regulating and doing all these things doesn't mean that the rest of my team has it. So as somebody that's facilitating or is in kind of the leadership group, needs to create that psychological safety, so then everybody gets to show up with their brilliance, no matter who they are.
And notice you said you went over focus really quickly. Is it, you want to elaborate on that a little bit? Or is there a reason why it seems to be the easiest part?
Yeah, because focus is like, what are we doing today? Like, and it could be 20,000 things, right? So this is a very if you are doing connect, scan is the agenda. The focus is, now we're going to take 2 hours to brainstorm, or we're going to take 10 minutes to do this deck, or we're going to, it's it's the meat and potatoes of the meeting. So that could be just, I went over it fast because it just can go anyways, but as long as they're in alignment between everybody in the team, that's what you're doing, or group or collective, that's what you're doing for that agreed upon time, go for it. So yeah, that's why it's very open-ended.